Food storage and preservation. We have learned about various methods of safe storage of food like freezing, drying, boiling, airtight packing, etc. These different methods prevent the growth of microorganisms in food and thereby save the food from spoiling. Food protection and food preservation. Food protection. Prevention of food spoilage by microbial growth and infestation by pests is called food protection. Food preservation. Use of various preservatives to prevent for a long period of time food spoilage due to internal factors is called food preservation. National institutions, Food and Drug Administration. This is a government organization that controls production and distribution of food and drugs by their standardization. Food Safety and Standardization Authority of India, that is FSSAI, has been established as per the Food Safety and Standardization Act 2006. Methods of food protection. Freezing. Biological and chemical reactions in food materials are slowed down at low temperature. As a result, food remains in good condition for a longer duration. That is why refrigerators are used in the kitchen. Smoking. Food is preserved with the help of smoke. Aluminum phosphide is used in this method. Use of insecticides. Malathion is sprayed on the gunny bags containing food grains. Irradiation. In this method, food is exposed to ionizing radiations such as high energy electrons emitted by accelerators, X-rays, gamma rays emitted by radioactive isotopes, etc. This process destroys the microbes, insects, etc. Shelf life of fruits increases due to increase in ripening period. The shelf life of potatoes and onions increases due to slowed down sprouting. Use of insert gas. Nitrogen gas is filled in airtight packets of potato wafers and other food products, thus preventing the growth of fungus and insects in them. Use of preservatives. Natural preservatives and chemical preservatives. Some naturally available materials like salt, sugar, oil are used as preservatives in pickles, jams, murabba, petha, etc. Chemical preservatives. Acetic acid, that is vinegar, citric acid, sodium benzoate, and some nitrate and nitrite salts are some examples of chemical preservatives. They are used in sauces, jellies, jams, and packaged ready to cook vegetables and ready to eat foods, etc. These preservatives keep the food safe for a very long duration. Pasteurization. This method involves heating the milk or other similar foodstuffs up to a certain temperature. For example, milk at 80 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and cooling it quickly. This destroys the microbes present in the milk and it keeps for a longer duration. Do you know? In Maharashtra, irradiation plants have been installed at Lasalgaon for onions and potatoes and at Navi Mumbai for spices and condiments. Great scientist. The microbiologist Louis Pasteur developed the technique of preserving the quality of food by raising its temperature to prevent microbial growth in the food. Let's recall what is meant by adulteration of food. Adding cheaper substances of low quality to the food to gain more profits is called food adulteration. The adulterants are harmful for health and consuming such food is wrong. Complete the following table. Students, here are some foodstuffs given and which substances are used as adulterants in them, that is to be written. First one, foodstuff is milk. An adulterant used is water and urea. Second one is red chili powder. Adulterant is brick powder. Third one, black pepper. Adulterants are seeds of papaya. Fourth one, ice cream. And adulterants are washing powder, pepper pulp. The health of all people, young and old, poor or rich, is endangered by food adulteration. Different types of adulterants affect our health in different ways. Some adulterants cause abdominal discomfort or food poisoning, while some may affect the functioning of some organs if consumed over a long period of time or even cause cancer. Food is adulterated in this way too. First one, removal of some important components of food, that is, removal of fat content of milk, essence of cloves and cardamoms, etc. Second one, mixing a low quality, inedible or cheaper material or a harmful color with food. Third one, mixing of some harmful materials like small stones, fine sand, iron filings, urea, dung of horse, sawdust, etc. Think a little. Each one of us should think about what we eat every day and about the nutritive value and quality of the food we eat. How will you find out if food has been adulterated? Students, here is a chart given. In this chart, some food materials are given, which adulterants are used to mix with them, and which test to be used to find out the adulteration is done or not. And conclusion is also given. Let's see them one by one. First food is milk. Adulterant used is water. And the test is, put a drop of milk on a glass slide and slightly incline it to spread the drop. Conclusion is, if the spread mark of milk does not appear milky white, water must have been added to it. Second food is red chili powder. Adulterant used is brick dust. Test for it is, take a spoonful of chili powder in a beaker. Add water up to half of the beaker. Stir it and leave it undisturbed for a few minutes. Conclusion is, if a red layer is seen settled at the bottom of the beaker, it must have been adulterated with brick dust. Third food material is turmeric powder. Adulterant is methyl yellow. Test for it is, take a pinch of turmeric powder in a test tube. Add a small quantity of water to it. Shake the mixture and add a few drops of concentrated hydrochloric acid. And conclusion will be, the mixture becomes red on addition of concentrated hydrochloric acid, and the red color does not disappear if methyl yellow is present. Fourth food material is rava. Adulterant is fine iron filings. test for it is pass a magnet through the rava. Conclusion will be iron filings adhere to the magnet. My friend, the internet. Students, here is very interesting homework for you. Watch the video clips about food adulteration on www.youtube.com and make an identification kit for detecting food adulteration. Books, my friends. Collect books which give more information about food adulteration. Read and try to identify food adulteration. Do you know? In year 1954, Parliament passed the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act. It has been amended from time to time, and the amendment of 1976 provides for life imprisonment for the person involved in adulterating food with a harmful substance. There are clear directions that food should be properly stored. Packing material should not endanger the food or medicines, and there should clear and legible information on it about the manufacturing date, expiry date, and instruction for storage. Always remember, some chemicals are injected into fruits to make them more attractive and tasty. Milk vendors add urea to the milk so that it appears to have higher fat content. Shopkeepers change the expiry date of the food packets and airtight containers to avoid a financial loss. Calcium carbide and some other chemicals are used to make fruits look more attractive, that is, bright yellow bananas. Frequently, harmful chemicals like carbonated soda, phosphoric acid, etc. are mixed with cold drinks.